In this video, we will show you how to set up private email in cPanel for a Namecheap hosted domain. This will mean adding the private email DNS records to the DNS zone of your domain to make sure your emails go via the correct mail servers. So let's start. Log in to your cPanel account. Before adding the private email DNS records, you'll need to change the email routing for the domain using the email routing menu in cPanel. This option allows you to select a local or remote email service for your domain. Private email is classed as a remote service. To access it, click the cPanel icon in the top left, locate the email section, and click Email Routing. Select the domain name you want to link to private email from the drop-down menu and tick the remote option. Then click Change to save your settings. Next, you need to add the private email DNS records. Find Zone Editor in the Domains category, or by using cPanel's search function. Click Manage next to your chosen domain to open its DNS zone. A domain name can only be configured to use one email service at a time, so if there are any mail DNS records, such as MX, DKIM, and SPF, already present, they should be removed before you start adding the new, private email DNS records. Just so you know, SPF records are a type of TXT record that start with V equals SPF1. There's an example on screen now to help you recognize them. A DKIM record is an important type of TXT record to ensure outgoing mail works correctly. The value of a DKIM record starts with V equals DKIM1, and this record can be generated only once the private email mailbox is created. Unlike the SPF record, the DKIM record for private email should be added for the subdomain, default_domain key. The old DKIM record for this subdomain needs to be deleted for the new record to work properly. To remove mail DNS records, use the corresponding filter to find the right records, and press the Delete button. So, by default, you'll need to remove all the MX records currently displayed on the screen. You may want to pause the video to make sure you get them all. Today, we're just going to add the essential records. You can find these in the comments of this video, where you can also find the optional records listed as well. You'll need to copy and paste these essential records in just a moment. You'll also find a guide on how to generate and set up a DKIM record below this video. Stay on the same screen you just removed the records from, and press the Add Record button. Then choose MX as the record type. Set the priority to 10, and paste the corresponding record from the comments section below into the destination field. Then save the changes. The second MX record can be added in a similar way using the records we've just shown on the screen. Now, copy the SPF record text from below, and click Add Record again. This time, select TXT as the record type, paste the SPF value into the record field, and put your domain name in the name field. Then save the changes. Finally, let's add the DKIM record. This one might feel a little more challenging, but it's very important as it is responsible for email delivery. To add the DKIM record, its value should be generated in your Namecheap account first. There's a guide on how to do this below the video. Your private email subscription needs to be active before you can take this step. Once you have the DKIM record, copy it from your Namecheap account, starting with the text beginning V equals DKIM1. Then, go back to Zone Editor in cPanel, and click the Add Record button, as before. After that, select the TXT type, then paste the copied value of the DKIM record into the record field. As cPanel has a character limit, some of the record will be cut off. This means you'll need to identify which part is missing, and add it to the second TXT box inside the record field. To help do this accurately, copy everything that's successfully pasted into the record field, and go back to where you got the record from in your Namecheap account. Now, press Ctrl F or Command F if you're using macOS, and paste exactly what you just copied into the search bar. This will show you everything that was pasted, so you just need to copy the part that isn't highlighted. This will be what was cut off. Now, copy the missing part, up to the semicolon and quotation marks, and paste it to the second TXT string. After that, fill in the name field with default _domain key value. Then save the changes. With the help of the optional DNS records, mail clients will automatically configure your domain email account, instead of you needing to set it up manually. If you'd like to know more about this option, refer to the Knowledgebase article in the description of this video. That's everything. Your changes will become active in around 30 minutes, and your domain email account, or accounts if you have several, will receive and send emails as expected. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them under this video. Or check out our knowledge base at namecheap.com for more tips and support.